Welcome back, everybody, to another cryptocurrency news article. This one comes from Bitcoin Magazine and the business case for implementing Bitcoin's Lightning Network. While still a relatively new technology, the Bitcoin Lightning Network offers distinct advantages for a wide range of business operations. So, yeah, maybe you may want to consider using the Lightning Network if you're a business owner. But today's companies spend egregious amounts of money on credit card fees when processing customer payments, ultimately cutting into margins that are widely scrutinized by investors and managements alike. But the Lightning Network presents a new payment solution with the ability to process instantaneous payments using Bitcoin for virtually no fees. And it boasts equivalent decentralized safeguards to the Bitcoin network, ultimately using Bitcoin's blockchain, which has not been hacked since its inception in 2009. While doubt among the general public about Bitcoin manifests itself in the asset's price volatility, this innovative technology built on top of Bitcoin rails poses a unique opportunity for CEOs and CFOs to improve profitability. In fact, you can be anti Bitcoin and still be able to extract the advantages of the Lightning Network into your company's payment process, avoiding the issues of Bitcoin's price volatility. Now, here are some of the big advantages of adopting the Lightning Network for business. It improves margins and reduces fees. With mass layoffs circulating the market, investors and managers understandably continue to scrutinize margins. Every dollar matters and can spell disaster without proper planning and foresight. The Lightning Network helps to alleviate these pressures by way of minimal transaction fees. On average, payments made via credit cards amount to about 3% in fees owed to intermediaries and financial institutions. The Lightning Network opens up the possibility to process payments at a fraction of the cost by using micropayment channels. While it is unlikely that an entire customer base will immediately transact through the Lightning Network, even transitioning 25% of a credit card payments could significantly improve margins. Also, there's benefiting from consistent innovation. Without delving into the superfluous details of how Lightning operates behind the scenes, the innovations materializing in the space remain frequent. For example, IBEX Pay operates as a web application service that allows merchants to create an invoice on demand, generate a QR code to be scanned by the buyer with any Lightning wallet, and process payments via Lightning's instantaneously. Now, merchants can opt to receive payments based on the user designated ratio of BTC to USD. For companies with point of sales terminals, Strike is developing Lightning Network compatibility for many of those, while offering similar benefits to the IBEX Pay platform in both efficiency and cost effectiveness. And most of these services do not require monthly subscription fees, so that's a perk. Business can also have instant settlements. Another benefit of using Lightning Network is near immediate settlements of funds. No longer are companies required to wait 2 to 3 business days for ACH/wire payments to settle and to access the capital via the fiat rails, but intermediaries are removed with the use of the Lightning Network, permitting fast access to capital while limiting counterparty risks. Now, also a built in customer base. Although customer bases are highly dependent on the goods or services offered by a company, there is a large contingent of Bitcoin supporters who prefer and often seek out vendors that operate directly or indirectly within the Bitcoin environment. Now, many Bitcoin advocates use websites such as btcmap.org and satmap.app to find businesses that accept Bitcoin. Given that Lightning Network is a layer 2 built on top of the Bitcoin network, adopting it can provide you with an ever growing built in customer base that is hungry to contribute to and share the success of the businesses operating under the Bitcoin's umbrella. Now, limitations and risks. Still, the relative infancy of the Lightning Network means there are potential limitations and risks to it. For instance, IBX Pay currently offers a maximum of $2,500 in transaction sizes. And additionally, and with a new technology, while the network is gaining traction, there are still potential risks with bugs and other vulnerabilities. Recent tractions in popularity has helped to lessen concerns over this proof of concept, but without decades of data points to lean on, there is no guarantee issues will not emerge. Lastly, a current lack of regulatory clarity in the digital asset realm could potentially lead to more questions later. With all that said, Lightning Network provides companies with a competitive advantage from a financial, operational, and technological standpoint. Though there are some concerns due to the relative infancy of the products, in addition to existing limitations in the current solutions. However, rather than standing by and suffering through the oncoming margin pressures that continue to infiltrate the economy, it is worthwhile to take action and adapt. My recommendation for business owners out there is to trial run implementing this solution for at least a small segment of your business and to build out enough of the sample size to compare to current payment processes. Now, what's the worst case scenario here? You are not reaping the benefits outlined herein, but you are rather collateral damage to your business. The best, you are the first mover in a technology that aims to interrupt the payment processing space, coupled with increasing margins and gaining quicker access to customer payments. So that is just a little reason if like you're a business owner and you want to try to adapt to the new technology coming, Network does help with that if you want to utilize the Bitcoin network fee for it. And again, it's like you're not waiting the 10 minutes like we're using the normal Bitcoin blockchain. Yeah, it takes a few minutes, costs a little bit, like still not as much as the 3% fee with like the other payment platforms out there. But no, it just takes a little bit more time. But with the Lightning Network, it's instantaneous and you have a broad amount of people who do use it already. And so yeah, but those are some use cases for implementing the Bitcoin Lightning Network to your business. So if you guys did get something from this article, hit that thumbs up for me, subscribe to the channel, and until next time, the Crypto Sherpa is out.